In this presentation, we will answer some questions about alkanes and hydrocarbons. The first question is, which elements do we find in the compounds called hydrocarbons? Is it carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, or oxygen? Choose the correct answers. Excellent. So in hydrocarbons, we have only two types of atoms, which are carbon and hydrogen. Complete now the sentence. Crude oil is a of hydrocarbons. So what's the missing word in this sentence? Yes, you are correct. Crude oil is a mixture of hydrocarbons and mainly alkanes. Name the smallest member of the alkane family. So what's the smallest alkane? It's the alkane with one carbon atom. Yes, you are correct. What's the name of this alkane? Excellent, it's methane. Methane, CH4, is the smallest member of the alkane family. Let's now match the following alkane formulae to the correct name. So take a couple of minutes and try to write the name of each of these alkanes, and then we will check the answers together. Excellent. So these are the names. C2H6 is ethane, C5H12 is pentane, C4H10 is butane, and C3H8 is propane. Decane is an alkane. Its molecule contains 10 carbon atoms. Predict its formula. So how can we find the molecular formula of decane knowing that it has 10 carbon atoms? Of course, we should use the general formula of alkanes, which is CnH2n plus 2. So take a minute and apply this rule to find the molecular formula of decane where n is equal to 10. That's correct. C10H22 is the molecular formula of decane where n is equal to 10. So it's C10H 2 times 10 plus 2, which is 20 plus 2, and this is 22. So the molecular formula of decane is C10H22. Which term do we use to describe alkanes? Are alkanes saturated hydrocarbons or unsaturated hydrocarbons? Excellent, they are saturated hydrocarbons because all the bonds between carbon atoms are single covalent bonds. So all carbon atoms in alkanes has 4 single covalent bonds, and thus they are saturated hydrocarbons.